Hello learners. Today we will give explanation of Gmail toolbar buttons. So, you need to understand when should you use, where should you get the toolbar, and why do you need to use the toolbar. By the time we will show you Gmail toolbar one by one and how to use it. Before we start, you need to sign in your Gmail account in Google Chrome and you must be in Inbox. If you don't know how to sign in Gmail account on Chrome, visit our channel and watch our previous video that called How to Access Internet and Chrome. Now, let us begin. Firstly, here is the Gmail category which holds on toolbars such as Inbox, Sent, Trash and much more. Also, whenever you want to see more options on Gmail category, you need to click more to see category options. However, if you would like to send new message to anyone, you should click Compose button. As you know, Compose button is same as new message button. For example, Compose button used for Gmail account. Whereas, if you use Hotmail or Outlook or Yahoo, you will see new message button. Moreover, here is search box which will enable you to type something in order to search or to find in the list. For example, if you get hundreds messages and you want to find out one message only from Mr. John, just you need to type John, then press enter button. And then, you will find out all his messages with no confusion. It will save your time. You will see ellipse icon when you tick checkbox, then, ellipse icon will give you options such as mark as read or mark as important, add star, and much more. So, ellipse icons means it will allow you to add the message into one of above categories. Some learners called small box, but most users known as checkbox. You will use checkbox when you want move message into another category or delete the message at all. However, you can use checkbox to delete more than 10 messages in one click rather than deleting messages one by one, and it will save your time. Star is equal to favor. If the message is important for you, then click star to add favorite list or important list. Also, the star will mark you message so you recognize the message is important, therefore, you will not touch. For example, Mr. Nick sent me message so I put star mark. Many users delete random messages from inbox because of the advertise. So, some people click delete accidentally to remove important messages without knowing, but they realize later on or after a while. Therefore, use carefully and differential mark. However, author is the person who sent you message into your own email. Then, inbox will show you the user first name and last name. Sometimes it could be more than one user, so you will see different name and email address in the list. For example, we see Mr. Cameroon and Daniel in the list. And that is called sharing email. Whereas, do you know that you can read the message titles or topic before you open and read the whole message? Also, you can see if the message carry on attachment or not. For example, Mr. Cameroon, Tyler and Dylan have shared image as an attachment file. Furthermore, date and time will allow you to see messages when you have received the message. For example, if you see date, it means you have received the message yesterday or before. But if the message shows you time like 12:15, it means that you have received the message today. Always, whenever you see time, it means today message. If you have any question, leave in the comment. We will respond you soon. You will use delete bin when you want to delete some old message or advertises. Also, it will allow you to clean your inbox. So you will able to manage your Gmail account, include the messages you receive from other users. What will happen if I do not delete any message? The answer is, if you don't delete old messages that you don't want keep anymore, such as advertises, then delete, or it will confuse you and waste your Gmail account space, which is linked to Gmail storage. So, you will not receive new messages because of the storage. Even if you receive new messages, you will not see longer due to Gmail storage. The advertise will cover new messages that important, so you won't see it all. However, if you want move message from inbox into another category, firstly, click checkbox and then use move label in order to change position or place the message where you want to. 3 dots is optional to use. 3 dots is used for either mark message as unread or remove mark message, so it become like the message you have read already. 3 dots are similar to ellipse icon. Google Apps will give you these options such as Gmail, Contact, G Drive, Account, Calendar, and much more. So, it depends where you want go. If you want go to Gmail, then you need to select and click Gmail. However, if you want go to Calendar, then click Calendar from the list and it will land you Calendar page. So, choose where you want land. At the end, Gmail account will show you either your initial name or your profile picture. For example, if your name is Jack David, then it will show you J letter as your initial name, J for Jack. Whereas, if you insert cat image or your own picture, then use it as a profile picture. Now, I hope so you understand well. If you have any question or suggestion, leave in the comment. We will be in touch with you soon. Anything you don't understand or need more explanation, leave in the comment.